Good morning, children. I am going to take the subject English. In the last class, we saw the poem The Magic Words. I took that poem orally. Now we are going to see the spelling. Listen, children, listen carefully. Then only you will be able to read. Poem name The Magic Words. When we want someone to help, நமக்கு எப்போ ஹெல்ப் தேவைப்படும் போது அப்போ நம்ம என்ன சொல்லணும்? Please give the pen, please give me a pencil, please give a razor. We used to use the word please. When we want someone to help, what do we say? Please. When, W-H-E-N, when. We, W-E, we. Want, W-A-N-T, want. Say along with me, children. You also say the spelling. S-O-M-E, some. T-O-2, help, H-E-L-P, help. When we want someone to help, what do we say? What, W-H-A-T, what. Do, D-O-Do, we, W-E-V, say, S-A-Y, say. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. When someone helps us out. When someone helps us out, what do we say? Thank you. When someone is helping us, suppose your friend will give you eraser, then you should say thank you. When, W-H-E-N, when. Some, S-O-M-E, some, one, O-N-E, one, helps, H-E-L-P-S, helps, us, U-S-S, out, O-U-T, out. What, W-H-A-T, what, D-O-Do, W-E-V, say, S-A-Y, say. Thank you, T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. When someone helps us out, what do we say? Thank you. When we make someone cry, if we make anybody cry means, then what word you should use? Sorry. W-H-E-N, when. We, W-E-V, make, M-A-K-E, make, someone, S-O-M-E, some, O-N-E, one, cry, C-R-Y, cry. What do we say? What? W-H-A-T, what? D-O-Do, W-E-V, say, S-A-Y, say. Sorry. S-O-R-Y, sorry. S-O-R-Y, sorry. S-O-R-Y, sorry. Please, thank you and sorry. Say them as you need. Say them to make it all good. Whenever this please, thank you and sorry, we should use these words often. Okay? It will make us good. Please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Thank you, T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. A-N-D, and. Sorry, S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. Please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Thank you. T-H-A-N-K-Y-O-U, thank you. A-N-D, and. Sorry, S-O-R-Y, sorry. Say them as you need. You should always, we used to say these words often, okay? S-A-Y, say, them, T-H-E-M, them, S-A-S-S-U-Y-O-U, need, N-E-E-D, need. Say them to make it all good. S-A-Y, say, them, T-H-E-M, them, T-O-2, make, M-A-K-E, make, I-T, it, all, A-L-L, all, G-O-O-D, good. Children, copy this poem in your rough notebook and read. It will come in test. Copy it in your rough notebook, children. Finished? Now we are going to lesson now. Lesson name is Listen to Your Body. Nina wonders. In these two characters are coming. Nina. Nina is a girl. Another Nitin. Nitin is a boy. These both are brother and sister. She is sister. Okay. She is brother. Nina and Nitin. Nina is saying, what Nina is saying? Today I am not going to school. What she is saying, Nina? Today I am not going to school. Today is holiday, she is saying. It's a holiday. I am not going to play. Okay, she is not going to play. She is not going outside. Then what she will do? It's too hot anyway. Outside it is very hot because sun is so bright. So it is very hot. So she is inside the home only because it is holiday time. What I am going to do? She is thinking what she is going to do. Nitin. Nina, Nina, Nina. Her brother is calling Nina, Nina, Nina. 3 times he is calling his brother Nitin. Nitin does not reply. Nina does not reply. Nina, she did not say anything. 3 times his brother is calling. No, she did not reply anything. She simply, quietly she is sitting. Nitin goes near her head and shakes her head. What Nitin is doing? She is going to her sister's head and shaking her head. Nitin, I called you 3 times. What he is saying, Nitin? I called you 3 times. You did not reply any word. You are sitting quietly. He is asking. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Nina is saying, sorry brother, I could not hear you. I did not listen you. She is saying. Nitin, what Nitin is saying? His brother, let us play a game. Let us play a game, he is saying. It's called Listen to Your Body. What the play game name? That play game name is Listen to Your Body. They are going to listen to their body. Nina, really? How do we play that game? She is asking Nina to his brother what she is saying. Really? What do we play that game? How do we play that game? She is asking. நம்ம எப்படி விளையாடுறது அந்த கேம்ன்ட்டு நீனா கேட்குறா. Nitin, sit down and do what I do. Sit down. Whatever I am going to do, you also do, he is saying. Nitin breathes in and out. What Nitin is doing? He is breathing like this. In and out. Breathe means மூச்சு விடுறது. உள்ளே இழுத்து வெளியே விடுறது. அப்போ நிதின் என்ன பண்ணுறான்? மூச்சு இழுத்து உள்ளே விடுறான், அப்புறமா வெளியே விடுறான். Nitin breathes in and out. Nina breathes in and out. Nina is also doing the same as his brother is doing. She is also breathing in and out. Nitin, can you hear your breath? What Nitin is asking? Can you hear the sound? இப்போ நம்ம breathe பண்ணும்போது நம்ம sound வருதுல்ல? Can you listen your breath? Nina, what she is saying? Nina, yes, I can listen. It can make my breath louder. Nitin is saying, I will breathe loudly, one sound will come. Listen. You are breathing in and out, no? Sound is coming. Nina, I can make it even louder. He is breathing so fastly, loudly, in and out, breathing. Nitin places his hand on his chest and so Nina is also doing the same thing. What Nitin is doing? He is keeping his hand in his heart and breathing. He is listening to the heart sound. Listen, do you hear anything? Nitin is asking. If you keep your hand on your chest means you can see your sound. What we can hear? Laptop, laptop. The hot sound is laptop, laptop. We can hear it. Nina, laptop, laptop, laptop. Someone is playing a drum. What she is saying? That laptop sound is like playing a drum. நம்ம drums வாசிப்போம்ல அந்த மாதிரி இருக்குன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Nitin, that's your heartbeat. What Nitin is saying? That sound is your heartbeat sound. It beats all time. We can breathe. Our heart will function every day. Fully it will go on function till our life. Okay? It breathes all day also. It will breathe in night time also. We can breathe. Without breath we can't live alive. Nitin claps his hand and so does Nina. What Nitin is doing? Nitin is clapping his hand and Nina also doing the same thing what his brother is doing. Nitin, I can make a song with my hands. With the hands itself they are making a song. Nitin stands up and stamps her feet. Nina is standing up. What Nina is doing? She is sitting and playing with her brother. No, listen to your body game. So they are standing up and stamping their feet. Nina, I can make one with my feet. What Nina is saying? I can make one with my feet. So they are doing like this. Tipti, tapti, toe. Stamp, 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 stamp. Then Nitin places his hand on his tummy and so does Nina. Nitin is, what he is doing? Nitin is keeping his hand in his tummy and Nina also doing the same thing what his brother is doing. They are keeping their hand on his tummy. Nina, I can hear gudu 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 sound. What Nina is saying? They can hear the sound. What sound? Gudu 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 sound. Ha ha, are you hungry? What Nitin asking? Ha, are you? If you are hungry only we will have that sound, no? So Nitin is asking, ha ha, are you hungry? Push goes the cooker sound. From the kitchen what sound is coming? Cooker sound is coming. Nina turns to the sound. They both walk to the kitchen. They are turning to their sound and they both of them are walking to the kitchen. Nitin, I think food is ready. What is brother Nitin is saying? I think the food is ready in the kitchen. How do you know? Nina asking what she is asking. How can you know that when that food is ready? She is asking. Nitin, my nose says so. அவனுடைய மூக்கு அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லுதுங்களா? ஏன்னா நம்ம கிச்சனில் சமைக்கும் போது நைஸ் ஸ்மெல் ஃப்ளேவர் வில் கம், நோ? வாட் நிதின் இஸ் சேயிங்? மை நோஸ் சேஸ் சோ. Nina, one for me. Father, what are you both doing in the kitchen? What Nina is saying? One for me she is saying. One for me she is saying. What is father is doing? Father is in the kitchen. What he is saying? What are you both doing in the kitchen? நீங்கள் ரெண்டு பேரும் கிச்சனில் என்ன பண்ணுறீங்கன்ட்டு his father is asking. Nina, we heard the cooker sound. What Nina is saying? We heard the cooker sound. Whistle sound came from the kitchen, no? She is saying, we heard the cooker sound. Nitin saw the jamuns. Jamuns means what? Gulab jamun. You all eaten the gulab jamun, no? It will be very sweet and brown in color. It will be nice taste, so sweet. What Nitin is saying? Jamun is so sweet, he is saying. Father, oh no, no more jamuns before lunch. Off you go. What is father is saying? Oh no, don't take the jamun. Before lunch you should not eat sweet. So they all are going. Okay children, this is the lesson. Okay, lesson name is listen to your body. In this two characters are coming. Nina is a girl, Nitin is a boy. Nina is sister, Nitin is brother, and his father is in the kitchen. They are listening to their body sound. What sound? First what they are doing? They are playing the game listen to your body. How they are going to play? They are breathing in and out. So they are hearing the chest sound, heartbeat sound. They are hearing lap tap lap tap. Then the heart will beat all the time. It beats all the daytime and all the night. Then they are using clapping their hands and they are playing a song. Then they are stamping their feet, tipti tapti. Okay. Then they are hearing the stomach sound, gudu gudu gudu. Then they are hearing the cooker sound. Then they are going to the kitchen and eat the jamuns. What is father is saying at that time? Oh, no more jamuns before lunch is father is saying. Okay children, this is the lesson. In the next class we can see the book back answers and exercises. We will see the question answers, opposites and all. Thank you children.